We are now in Lecture 3, Part 1 on Ingram's Law. Um, Here we're going to start with discussing two aspects of the constitutional law. And constitutional law is really the topic of our engagement in this session. So we start with two aspects of the constitutional law, and they are interpretation of constitutional law and foundation of constitutional law. In this session, we are going to discuss two crucial aspects of the activities of the judiciary with regard to the Constitution or the constitutional law. One, we will discuss interpretation by judges of the basic rights that are established by the laws of a constitution. Two, we will discuss the problem of foundation or legitimation of democracy by a constitution that establishes the basic rights that are interpreted by judges. As before, our discussion will proceed by considering the claims made by key thinkers in the theorization of the two issues, as well as by considering criticisms of their positions.